Music. Welcome to the DNA Consultants Atom DNA Test Kit Review. Product link below. DNA Consultants offers a comprehensive kit revealing personalized insights into your ancestry, health, and wellness. Perfect for exploring your genetic makeup, it emphasizes health-related traits like inherited conditions, disease risks, and lifestyle factors impacting well-being. Using the kit is simple: swab your cheek, send it to their accredited lab, and access your results online. Easy-to-understand reports cover your ancestral origins, genetic predispositions, and how your body responds to nutrients, medications, and exercise. DNA Consultant stands out with its in-depth health and wellness focus, offering specialized tests for metabolic health, detoxification, and nutrient absorption, crucial for optimizing diet and lifestyle. Get personalized recommendations on preventing genetic conditions and tailoring your lifestyle based on your DNA, enabling proactive health management. DNA Consultants is ideal for anyone seeking deeper genetic understanding, especially for ancestry and health optimization. Whether improving fitness, preventing health issues, or exploring heritage, this test provides actionable genetic insights. Learn more and start your journey to better health. Check the link below.